our reporters have the truth on this rocket misfire. This is Mohammed al-Stupid Hussein Jr. He was the one that fired that rocket. This is Mohammed al-Stupid and his mother. Mohammed al-Stupid Jr. was raised in the Gaza Academy School of Terror. He was by far one of the best students and memorized their belief systems. He had it by heart that it's his job to exterminate the nation of Israel. In the following video is a demonstration of one of the problematic rockets that Mohammed al-Stupid Jr. had problems with in regards to the rocket misfire. This took place in the mountains of Gaza. As you can see, it was these rockets that caused the misfire in Gaza, as you can see in this following video.
شو هي طالعين من المقبرة الورا المستشفى المعمداني ليش بالله هو